Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here in discussion 5A, student posed obstacles, discussing the text or writing for our discussion 5B essay, 120 points, 1,000 words. Okay, let's survey this assignment. We have 5 links right here that you need to click on, and we have a part 1 and a part 2. We have a works cited on this screen, and we have help with quoting. We have some videos that you can look at. Okay, let's go back up, and I'm going to click on the due dates assignment right here. The due dates, it's very important that you pay attention to them. Canvas allows me to list only one due date, and I list Sunday for convenience, but we have different due dates. Okay, so you're going to post part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday, and post part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. If you think you're going to be late with this assignment, please email me here in inbox. Don't tell me, hey, I'm late with the assignment. Tell me what's going on so I can help you, all right? I'm always concerned when you submit an assignment late because assignments scaffold or build on one another, and I want you to do well in this course. All right, I'm going to click back on the back arrow here and go back into our assignments, and I'm going to read part 1. 1. Access and read the 3 texts in the works cited at the end of the screen. 2. In 750 words, 3 pages, share your thoughts, ideas, and feelings about each text. Okay, and the text, of course, means writing. So these are the 3 writings here in the works cited that you're going to access. You should be able to click on the link and access the writing. If that doesn't work, go into a search engine such as Google, type in the writer's name and the article title, and it will come up right away. Okay, what do we have to do in part 2? Respond to 2 peers' postings, writing a minimum of 125 words, a half page for each posting, for a total of 250 words, 1 page. How should you respond? Compare your peers' thoughts, ideas, and feelings about the text with your own. So we're reading these texts, really studying them in this assignment because we want to know them. And these are the topics or the text involved in the essay next week. Okay, I'm going to scroll back to the top of the screen. We're in discussion 5A. I'm going to remind you I'm here in inbox. You're never ever bothering me if you email me. You're never emailing me too much. If an assignment is not clear, you have a problem, you need to chat with me, I'm right here. Okay, let's have a good week.